जित्यो
We didn't execute our plan, but still they stayed here and supported us.
त्यसैमा
till the
किनेको
last
त कामै नहुने जस्तो भइसकेको थियो नि त
It was very important
धन्न
for them also. And
धन्न जिते
you
केटाहरूले
can imagine when we play in home,
Yeah,
the crowd, and now we are playing.
यहाँ यी नेपाल बिट स्कटल्यान्ड बाई 7 विकेट्स इन आइसिसी मेन्स T20 वर्ल्ड कप 2026
Slow down and
यो हो क्या
them in 170. I think that out there bowling was
झन्डै चाहिँ यत्रो 3400-7900 रुपियाँ खर्च गरेर किनेको टी सर्टले त झन्डै डुब्यो नि नलाउन नपाएर के गरौँ मुकुस मुकुस
that was the key point in the death over.
You had a wonderful power
Yes.
play, great start with Nepal, but everybody who's seen Nepal
Kushal
play
Patel.
knows there's going to be a wobble somewhere
Dipendra
along
Singh
the
Hari.
line. Yeah.
सोमपाल कामी
The way this
सबै प्लेयरको कन्ट्रिब्युसन छ आजको गेम जित्नमाथि चाहिँ गुलसन झा पनि
we knew that when DP
रोहित पौडेल पनि ठिकै इम्प्रुभ गर्नुपर्छ अझै
that they'll finish the game
त्यसलाई
for us.
अलिकति सानो
Both were set. DP Dai was batting really well.
ओ
And I think
भन्दैछ रोहितले पनि भन्दैछ दिपिता इज ब्याटिङ रेल वेल
I think
I know.
today's
We all know.
and
एन्ड फ्यान्स
Do you think
very
the
much.
close game that you had against
नेपाली भन्ने नेपाली हो
which was the first game of the
तक्लु
tournament
दाई पनि
of your
इज लभ
Do you think that helped you as you